Alright, drum roll. Ta-da! So here's the vacuum chamber I came up with. I just threw this together with just stuff I had laying around. But this little acrylic jar came from Walmart. Very cheap. But thick enough for the experiment. But so basically what I've done is, this thing's sealed. And I'm sorry, it's a mess in here. Don't look. Don't look. It's a mess. I know, nobody cares. Alright, so here we go. Boom, 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 boom. So what I did was we take this, alright? Oh, look at that, I'm gonna break it before I make it. Break it before you make it. Oh, okay, so anyway, I'm gonna take and we just put this on top, alright? Can't do anything with one hand, so okay, boom. I'll straighten those out here in a minute. Got some clear, tight, stretchable, tight kind of fishing type line. I'm kind of holding those in there. But I'll get them all nice and even and pretty, and I'll like get stuff here in a minute. But basically I just took the jar and it seals at the bottom, and I was just looking through my scrap and I found this, and I mounted it on the top here, and you see right back there, that's a that is a compressor out of a refrigerator, a little bitty refrigerator at that. So, but it pulls a pretty good vacuum. So here, I'll let you see it working. Okay, that tripod I had, I broke it, so let me just set this up so you can see. And the power for the compressor, I kind of just maybe, so I got a little switch down here. You can hear it turn on. But anyway, so that's the setup. And so let's see if it'll do a vacuum test here. Of course, when I'm actually doing this, I'm going to take this tubing off and just, I can just pop it right on the end of there, but this is just to show you what I got going on here. So, let's see if it'll hold a vacuum. It's acrylic, and I'm really not sure how much vacuum it'll hold. But I just had it on for a second and we sit and wait and see if it's gonna hold a vacuum. Release. Ready? So you heard it? It didn't sound like nothing. Maybe I'll actually edit this video. I'm always in such a hurry. I'm sorry I don't never edit or add more stuff in the comments line. I'm always trying to figure stuff out, and of course I want to share everything with you. I'm not really sure how much this thing can take, but probably a good bit. So that holds a good vacuum. There's my vacuum chamber. Made it out of scrap. Not sure what that came off of, but it worked great. I just put a rubber washer under there, and so it's sealed around the edges and has an opening on the inside. But yeah, so there it is. There's the vacuum chamber. There's the coils. Now, anybody got any ideas on how to get the argon inside of here? I'm pretty sure I need to have some type of medium in there, but if so, do I put the argon in under pressure, or kind of try to pump it in there and then pull a vacuum, or any ideas on that? Exactly the process? Do I pull a vacuum and then let the vacuum suck the argon into it from the vacuum so that it all gets pulled in there and sealed, so to speak? Or just thoughts on that would be great. Also, while I was digging around for something to make this work, ran into this thing here, which is pretty cool. It's got a nice little controller board. This is a pump, little small pump. Pumps in, one goes in, one comes out, and then all this stuff hooks to the board. And this is a this actually is for heating the water up. So you got an input and an output, and it just runs through these corridors in here, and you see there's the heating element, and there's a potentiometer to control the temperature, so you can effectively either heat the water up and also somehow cools it down. Maybe there's a Peltier module or something in there. I haven't actually taken this part apart, but yeah, that's what it does. It actually came out of a hospital type machine that I think they put body parts or something in, and it was designed to keep it at a certain degree, either hot or cold or whatever, depending on what they put into the container. Here's the circuit for it. So we'll check it out. I was going to use it to try to get my water fuel cell up to certain temperatures, and then hit the switch, see if we get any positive or different type results or whatnot. I'll be filming all that too. So anyway, there's the vacuum chamber. We're gonna get those nice and pretty in there, and then the idea right now is to put a coil around the body of this, and to I guess put some high voltage into the coil so that it excites the argon inside to create a plasma, and we'll see if we get our effect that we're looking for. But so there you go, there it is. I'd show you more, but it's a mess in here. I've been busy. Take it easy. Peace and love.